Ever wondered why nightmares haunt your sleep and tear apart your peace? It's time to unravel the mystery of these nocturnal disturbances, tracing their roots from historical beliefs to present-day understanding, and exploring the ways to treat them. Centuries ago, in the late 1700s, nightmares were perceived as a disease. The afflicted felt as if a colossal weight bore down on them in their sleep. Even today, these terrifying dreams are more common in children, particularly between the ages of 3 and 6. Harvard Medical School's clinical professor of psychology, Deirdre Barrett, suggests that this could be due to the evolutionary vulnerability of children, who are smaller and face more threats than adults. Dreams and nightmares, though different, are interconnected. While dreams are recent autobiographical episodes intertwined with past memories to form new memories, nightmares are dreams that evoke intense negative emotions. This brain activity occurs in the default network system, which includes the thalamus, medial prefrontal cortex, and posterior cingulate cortex, and remains active during relatively quiet periods like REM sleep. REM sleep, characterized by rapid eye movement, irregular heartbeat, and increased respiration, is a discontinuous stage of sleep. It's during these REM episodes that brain structures exert influence, and vividly recalled dreams and nightmares occur most often. Nightmares typically happen during the period of sleep when REM intervals lengthen, usually halfway through slumber. As we prepare to awaken, memories begin to integrate and consolidate, which is why the terrifying images produced during nightmares are remembered. However, it's crucial to differentiate nightmares from night terrors, a phenomenon more dramatic than a nightmare and experienced mostly by children. Night terrors are sudden, fearful reactions during transitions from one sleep phase to another, causing children to kick, scream, and thrash about. They typically occur 2 to 3 hours after sleep begins, when deep non-REM sleep transitions to REM sleep. Night terrors arise from the deepest parts of non-REM sleep, when the brain is less active. Thus, most children do not remember them. So, how do we treat nightmares? One effective psychological therapy is called image rehearsal therapy. In this form of cognitive therapy, individuals repeatedly experiencing a specific type of nightmare are asked to recall and write down their nightmares. They then rehearse the rewritten version before sleeping, aiming to replace the unwanted content during sleep. This therapy has been found to reduce nightmare frequency and distress. Furthermore, a study published in the American Journal of Psychiatry in 2003 reported that the drug prazosin could help relieve nightmares in people with post-traumatic stress disorder. Traditionally used to treat hypertension, prazosin reduces the level of neurochemicals in pathways that become overstimulated in PTSD. In conclusion, nightmares, a phenomenon as old as humanity itself, have evolved from being perceived as a disease to a psychological disturbance that can be treated. From being more prevalent in children due to evolutionary vulnerabilities, to the role of brain activity during REM sleep in their occurrence, and finally, the modern treatments like image rehearsal therapy and medication like prazosin, we've journeyed through the intriguing world of nightmares.